Hello, my furry bunnies. You're not little anymore. Because you've all grown up now. My babies have all grown up. Anyway, that's enough for the intro. Now let's get on to the video. Here are the apps you need. You basically only need File Organizer. And any editing app. I'm sure it can work on any app. If it doesn't, you know what to do on the settings, so I'm not going to go in detail with that. So, you open File Organizer. You put web by this little plus thingy. I already added mine though. So there you search MP3 juice. Then there you click the first link and just write any song you want. Then there's a little download button. You click that download, then another download, and then yet another download, then okay, or you can change the name too, but that can glitch sometimes. Then just wait for it to download, of course. Yay! Then just open the audio and check if it's actually working. Sometimes it glitches and doesn't work, so you have to download again, but that doesn't happen much, so don't worry. Then click that little sign over there and open in, then any editing app you use. So yeet, part 2, and it's there. So thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you didn't already know that and it was just a waste of your time. So anyway, bye, and see you in the next video.